Have you ever watched your dog sleeping and suddenly their paws start moving, their nose twitches, their ears flicker? Sometimes they softly bark in their sleep, almost like they're chasing something invisible or someone. Maybe they start running in place beneath the blanket. Maybe they quietly whimper or softly wag their tail while completely asleep. And every dog owner eventually asks the same question. What's happening inside their mind right now? Are they simply reacting randomly, or could they actually be dreaming? And before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and get ready to have your mind blown. For years, scientists wondered the same thing. Do dogs truly dream the way humans do? And if they do, what could possibly fill the mind of a sleeping dog? Now, researchers believe they understand much more about what happens inside the canine brain during sleep, and what they discovered became surprisingly emotional, because according to science, there's a very real possibility your dog dreams about you. To understand why researchers believe this, we first need to understand sleep itself. Humans experience several different sleep stages throughout the night: light sleep, deep sleep, and one of the most mysterious stages of all, REM sleep, or rapid eye movement sleep. This is the stage most closely connected to vivid dreaming. During REM sleep, brain activity becomes extremely intense. Eyes move rapidly beneath closed eyelids, breathing patterns change, heart rate fluctuates, and the mind begins generating emotional experiences we recognize as dreams. Scientists discovered decades ago that dreams often replay emotionally important moments: people we love, places we recognize, stressful experiences, habits, memories connected to emotion. Eventually, researchers began asking an important question: could animals experience the same thing? Scientists started studying sleeping mammals very closely, especially highly social animals like dogs. What they found shocked many researchers. Dogs experience REM sleep too. When scientists monitored sleeping dogs using brainwave equipment, the patterns looked remarkably similar to human dreaming activity. The dog's breathing changed dramatically during REM sleep. Their eyes moved rapidly beneath closed eyelids. Their muscles partially relaxed, which explains why sleeping dogs sometimes twitch, kick, or move while asleep. Scientists observed dogs making tiny running motions, ear flicks, tail twitches, and even quiet vocal sounds, almost like they were reacting to invisible events happening inside their minds. And the deeper researchers studied canine sleep, the more evidence pointed toward the same conclusion. Dogs are not mentally inactive during sleep. Their brains remain deeply active, processing experiences, emotions, memories, and very likely dreams. But then came the next question: if dogs dream, what exactly are they dreaming about? That question led researchers into something even more emotional. Neuroscience suggests dreams often replay meaningful experiences from daily life. Humans tend to dream about emotionally important things: people we care about, routines, places we spend time, and powerful memories. Scientists now believe dogs may do something very similar, because dogs form incredibly deep emotional bonds with humans. Research has shown dogs recognize human faces, voices, emotional tones, and routines with remarkable accuracy. Your dog constantly studies you, your scent, your habits, your emotions, even the sound of your footsteps. To your dog, you are the emotional center of their world. And that matters enormously when it comes to dreaming, because if dogs replay meaningful experiences during sleep, many of those experiences likely involve you. Walking together, playing outside, waiting for you to come home, sleeping beside you, hearing your voice, feeling safe near you. Researchers studying sleeping dogs noticed something fascinating. Dogs often physically reacted in sleep in ways connected to activities they experienced while awake. Dogs who spent the day running sometimes moved their legs while asleep. Dogs heavily engaged in social interaction often vocalized more during dreaming stages, almost like the brain was replaying moments from the day. Dreaming may also serve another important purpose: memory processing.
Scientists believe REM sleep helps strengthen learning and emotional memory, meaning sleep may actually help dogs reinforce routines, experiences, and emotional attachment. In other words, dreaming may actually strengthen the bond between dogs and humans. And honestly, that changes the way many sleeping dogs suddenly appear. Some softly wag their tails while asleep, some whimper gently, some suddenly wake up and immediately look for their owner, almost as if they were somewhere else entirely. Researchers also discovered puppies appear to dream more frequently than adult dogs because puppies process massive amounts of new information every single day. Senior dogs may also experience more active dreaming due to changes in sleep cycles as they age. But despite everything science continues discovering, one mystery still remains impossible to fully answer. What does a dog actually see inside a dream? No human can truly know, but science strongly suggests dogs possess rich emotional experiences during sleep, experiences connected to memory, attachment, and emotion. And because humans play such an enormous role inside a dog's emotional world, there's a very strong possibility dogs dream about the people they love most. They're humans. You. So the next time your dog falls asleep beside you and you notice their paws moving softly, their ears twitching, their breathing changing, or their tail wagging gently in sleep, remember this: there's a very real possibility your dog is replaying moments from life with you. And honestly, that may be one of the most beautiful things science has ever discovered about dogs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the link for the Canine Kitchen Guide Volume 1 with over 60 easy, healthy homemade treats for your best friend. And as always, make sure to hit that like and share button as it really helps our channel grow.